Welcome to another beautiful cold and flu season. So let's talk about how to make two different disinfectant sprays that you can use at home to thoroughly disinfect your entire home without having to buy harsh chemicals. The first solution we're going to create was rubbing alcohol. You're going to need vinegar and of course a spray bottle with water. So first you want to go ahead and put 1 cup of water into a spray bottle. Then you want to go ahead and take another cup with white vinegar. Then you go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. And if you want to, you can put about 10 to 20 drops of essential oils into it as well. And this will work wonders for disinfecting. It's very simple. Take 1 cup of water, 1 cup of straight white vinegar, then 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, and you're good to go. Quick reminder, always disinfect high touch point areas. Your second option is using good old-fashioned hydrogen peroxide. So you're going to need hydrogen peroxide, water, and lemon juice. For the hydrogen peroxide solution, use 1 cup hydrogen peroxide, 1 cup water, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Makes it smell nice as well. This is one of my personal favorites for kitchen cleaning because it thoroughly disinfects and polishes everything nicely.